Go ahead and like us, comment, and subscribe, and invite your friends to watch us as well. I want to go through some of the products that we have developed to help people understand root causes of sickness and disease. I'm holding what I call the healing card. It's not that you lay it on somebody and they're healed, but it shows you the root causes of sickness and disease. At the top, you will notice there's a legend. And the legend deals with the different causes of disease and sickness. One is a deaf and dumb spirit. One is drug related. One, evil spirits, familiar spirits, maternal issues, paternal issues, self issues, and then multiple causes. So we've assigned each one of these a specific code, and then we listed all the different 40 most popular sicknesses and diseases down the sides, and across the top are the causes. So you take your finger and say if you wanted to know about addictions. Addictions, if you go across, is a need to be loved. So people that don't feel loved become addicted. And so you need to pray against that root. Anger issues, if you follow it across, a lot of times it's a spirit of anger. And if you don't deal with anger, then it goes into rage. From rage, it goes into murder. So you see there's an escalation that can happen. Asthma, a lot of times is abandonment issues, anxiety issues, and fear-based, as well as stress and tension. So we've gone through and we've picked out the major causes of sickness and disease. If you go to the root cause and you cut off the root, then you get rid of an unholy fruit and healing begins to come. And then you can begin to pray, find out what is the cause of the sickness or disease that you might be experiencing or one of your loved ones. And then you can send a prayer, send the angels, begin to decree and declare healing by hitting at the root of that sickness and disease. And you will become a healing minister, a minister of fire.